Hey, what the fuck?
You want to ride?
Hold it. He's got a gun.
Get in.
What the hell's going on?
Somebody wants to kill you. I'm just protecting you.
Bullshit, you punk. I want my lawyer.
Why don't you keep your fucking mouth shut? Let's do it.
Hey, what the hell's going on? No!
Don't jiggle your carcass too much, brother. Slightest vibration, this goes off.
You're joking! God, what is this?
I'm letting you go. But this baby is gonna blow up in 4 hours. So you better contact me soon. Here's my number.
What's that? Hey! Come back! Don't give me this! Help! Come back!
喂，你正話同個白鬼講個炸死幾個鐘頭，
堅叔話4個鐘嘛。
堅叔同我講錫咗2個鐘頭咋。
係，咁佢
咁。
All right
咁啊，堅叔，跟住扮咩啊？扮咩啊？仲扮咩啊？扮啊的士佬啊！扮咩啊？開工啊！
劉星，
螢火蟲啫啩？
當差人話見到劉星姐就發香。
bullshit， 知道早死有咩好玩？
第一次見到你喺墳場，第二次同你出嚟見到劉星，咁邪嘅。
有咩關係啫？你驚咩？
我唔係驚，我係好驚。我爸呢單 case 未做完，我影響咗。
你好多嘢放唔低咩？做人瀟灑啲好，輕輕的我走了，正如我輕輕的來，揮一揮衣袖，不帶咗一片雲彩。Shit！
喂，肥佬啊！
我睇到。
你说了
没有，我没有告诉他们，他们就把炸弹放在我身上，怎么办呢？
假嘅，
未必，可能係真嘅。
快想办法救救我！等一等，你做什么？不要让来，要不然会把我们全炸死了。干
！All right， 講緊咩人嚟嘅？
好似印刷佬啩。
你們盡快準備圍剿，我現在就要拿到手。
你哋快啲去船廠叫佢哋加班，聽日我親自去收貨。啊，好，阿豪啊，你都去買。
好，
差唔多咯。